Okay, so today we're going to make some polenta grits. We're going to start by adding 3 cups of water and 3 cups of whole milk into a saucepan. And we're going to mix in 1 cup of the grits. And as soon as it is nice and combined, we're going to then cover and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. We're going to be stirring frequently. I chose to use the whisk because I felt it would give the best consistency while it was stirring up. Okay, so we're about halfway through cooking time. It's been about 16 minutes and I'm stirring it again. Just wanted to show you how it starts to look. The color's getting a little more yellow, and as you can also see, it's getting a little bit more thick. Okay, so it has now been cooking for about 31 minutes. I'm going to give it a quick little stir to make sure it's all nice and there's no lumps in there. And then it's time to add the next couple of ingredients. We're going to go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of butter, 3 teaspoons of salt, and about 3 to 4 ounces of shredded Parmesan cheese. Okay, so that is 2 tablespoons and another 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I just need to add the salt and the shredded Parmesan cheese. It's just 3 teaspoons of kosher salt. Okay, so that was 1 tablespoon, but that's okay. 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons, so that's fine. And there's 2 tablespoons. What are you doing, Ken? And there's 3 tablespoons. Oh my God, look at the recipe.
What are you doing?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
No! God, please, no!
So I inadvertently added 4 tablespoons of salt. I should have checked the recipe. I should have had it in front of me, but like an idiot, I just, for some reason, thought that it was 4 tablespoons of salt instead of 3 teaspoons. So, since this is ruined, we're going to go ahead and do scrambled eggs.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So for the scrambled eggs that I make, it's just going to be, well, this one was 6 eggs with a little more than 1/8 of a cup of whole milk. Going to whisk it till very homogeneous and very even looking. Then you're going to, in the saucepan, not in the saucepan, in the skillet, we're going to melt about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. And then we're going to pour it in, and you're just going to keep continuously moving it around. And you're just going to keep dragging your spatula through like I'm doing. And as you'll see now, as we skip ahead, you can see that it's just a little bit more, clumping, and the curds are starting to form. And you just keep cooking until you get to the doneness you like. I personally like it to where it's not wet, but not browning. And as you can see, here we go. We just stopped, and that's my fluffy, very nice looking scrambled eggs.